Okay, so our structure is up in here, and dog's helping as well. So we've got a floor, as you can see. The roof is not quite on yet. What Rick is doing now, he's putting a special membrane. It's just to protect it, well, myself as well in there. It's just to protect the structure from the water, and we're going to put the, you know, the outside paneling on it after, so you'll see that later on. It's really important step to do that, because otherwise, you know, once you get rain, this will be it, and it'll go moldy as well. So it is quite an important step, this one. So now we're trying to put the roof on. So again, it's a couple pre-made panels. He made them in his workshop because it would have been too much to do on site, and we're just lifting them in as accurate as we can and closing all the sunlight. So as you can see, the membrane is all over now, the waterproof membrane, and the roof panels are going on now. So we're just checking how they're looking, and we'll start with putting the insulation in. Here's the insulation going in. We just chosen this one. You can choose a better insulation, you know, a Kingspan. We just chosen this fiber one. It did work fine, to be fair. You know, I'm obviously recording this video now in the office, and it is really warm. It does heat up really quickly. The only thing I wish we did more on, it would have been to put in more insulation under the floor. But yeah, it worked all right.
He's on a big slope.
Yeah.
Good chance of me falling.
No, don't.
Dropping off.
Don't. Not a good idea.
I prefer an option.
Hey?
I won't go far for this.
Oh, you'll damage the hedge.
Yeah, we don't
Took us ages to grow that.
Yep, it did. That's important. So we just put all the insulation in, and then the top panel would go on top of that. This is the view from outside. The window obviously is not cut out yet. The door is out. We've got the lighting in, and yeah, we'll cut the window bit soon. And this is a okay. So this is how it went. We put the panels on the outside on the office. We painted them in different colors. You'll see that in the next video. So what I'm going, obviously I am in here now, just a spoiler alert. On the next one, I am going to talk you through what I wish we did differently. So if you're thinking of creating an office yourself, buying a ready-made one, things like that, it'll be handy to watch, because there's few things that I would definitely change and it'll make a difference. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.